Hey guys, this is a different kind of video than I normally do, and possibly a cry for help. So I'm really into houseplants. I got really into houseplants a couple years ago, and especially since we've all been spending most of our time at home now. I just love the way they make our room feel. I love having them around me. They're great. Only problem is I can't keep them alive. I don't know what is going on. I've already killed 2 plants, which what I found was white mold, which I found by going online. And then I had mealybugs on one of my plants, which I've now learned a ton about. And I handled the mealybugs. These 2 guys had mealybugs. And I got this whole spray and whatever. So now I bring them outside. My problem was overwatering. So I learned that. I learned about overwatering. So now I have this thing where, okay, cool. I only give them filtered water because I was told that my tap water, my New York City tap water might be killing them. You guys can weigh in. I have no idea. So now I use like filtered Brita or something, or Pure or whatever. That seemed to help. I would spray this mealybug stuff on them once a week, which is this organic insecticide. And that started helping. The mold is still there, but now I have a gnat problem. So I water them once a week now. I take them outside, I give them daylight. It's like a whole situation. I bring them all outside. And I brought them outside, and these 3 I was spraying, and my daughter was like, oh, look, there's buggies in it. And I looked, there's gnats all over these. So now a solution that I learned was I'm gonna have to now repot all of them again. I already repotted them with the mealybug situation. Now I'm gonna repot them again. This little cactus I've never really had a problem with, but he was falling over, so I made him a crutch that I tied the back to with a chopstick, and it's working great. And then he sprouted these little guys, so he's doing nice. My succulent is basically on death's door. I don't know what's going on. The leaves are turning totally brown and weird. I have no idea. So in this video, you guys are gonna repot my plants with me. So, and then comment below on everything I'm doing wrong, because, hair tie, because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I fully admit I do not have a green thumb. I'm wearing these because I spray my organic insecticide on these, so I'm using these. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So I basically repot each plant the same way. So I'll just show you how I'm doing one. And please tell me what I could be doing better, because for real, like, this is a problem. Okay, so first, what I'm doing already is probably wrong. I'm pulling this out. Okay, so, you know, when I went to my local garden, they said that the best way to get rid of gnats is with fly paper, but I don't know, that just seems like weird to me, so I'm kind of starting from scratch, essentially. But I don't know if there's any, like, gnat eggs in here. I have no idea. What I did learn, because I went on, you know, I kind of educated myself on all this with, clearly, apparently it's not going well because I have white mold, mealybugs, and now gnats, but I'm certainly learning a lot. I know that overwatering is a big problem, and not proper drainage is a big problem. So this one woman at a local garden place taught me to lay something like this on the bottom, put a layer of rocks, river rocks, and then the dirt on top of it so it can drain. I also have a bird of paradise inside. Their name is Plant. And big help, I had to build a whole crutch, so I can show you guys that later. It's pretty funny. Okay, so rocks. I'm gonna take my kid's water toy and pour some dirt in here and really hope that, like, the gnat eggs are gone. I don't know. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm also gonna get my insecticide, and I'm gonna spray these with my organic insecticide. So I'm kind of winging it here. So this is organic insecticidal soap. I'm really hoping that it kills any of these gnat things that's in there. You're supposed to spray the underside of the leaves and the outside of the leaves. Okay. Rocks are down there. So now I'm gonna fill this with new dirt. So I'm gonna kind of make, again, this is all stuff I just learned, you guys, so please feel free to tell me what I'm doing wrong. I'm basically gonna build like a little cup of dirt. I'm gonna stick the roots inside of it and then pat it down. Okay, that actually looks good. So I'm gonna dig a little hole here. So you're kind of like making like a tart, like the outside of a, I'm just gonna liken it to food because I mostly just do recipes, but for you guys. So this, yeah, this will work. I sprayed the roots with some organic insecticidal soap. And now I'm just gonna fill this with dirt and see, I don't know, when I talked to my local gardener, she wasn't super clear on like where these gnat eggs are. Like, all she said was put down fly paper and then eventually they'll be gone, but they're in the soil. Like when I would pour water in it, they would all fly out. It's really weird. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know why my plants, like, I don't know why I can't keep them healthy and alive. I give them so much love. They get outside once a week, they get sun, they get filtered water. Someone told me I need to talk to them more. Maybe that's something I should come up with my kid. We'll just play talk to the plant. I don't know. Okay, so this one's repotted. We got fresh soil. Plant seems happy. Filtered water. One thing I did learn was you do filtered water, you pour it in until it comes out the bottom, and then you stop watering it. It's not coming through the bottom yet, but there aren't gnats coming out, so what's going on? Where's all the water going? It's taking a while to get through there. Oh, there we go. We have drippage. All right. So I'm gonna do that exact same thing to these two other guys. I have no idea what to do about the succulent. There isn't even a drain. I don't know why they gave it to me in this pot. Look, they're turning brown. I'm not really sure what to do here. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. I'm gonna repot these two though. Okay, cool. Let's do it. So this is all the old, oh my gosh, this is two separate things here. I repotted this one a while ago. There are all the rocks. So, you know, just another day repotting plants. I love having plants in my house. I love having plants in my office. Okay, layer of rocks. The other thing that this woman from my local garden shop told me was neem oil on the leaves might help. That is Am I doing this right? God, this stuff doesn't smell super great either. I've literally never done this before. I've repotted them, but I've never done the neem oil before. Always down to learn something new though. Great. I'll make sure I do a better job at that after I get these potted. Okay, there's that. I mean, I don't even know if this is gonna make a difference, you guys, because there's so much old dirt in there. But there's no gnats flying out, so that's good. Let me see. Yeah, we need a lot more dirt in there. I don't know, maybe the dirt I used last time had the eggs in it or something? I have no idea. Please feel free to comment and let me know any tricks to taking care of plants, because I absolutely love having them in my house. My plants seem like crazy high maintenance. I don't know. And I'm fine to do it if it works, you know what I mean? This is also something that I'll do with my kid. I make her wear little gloves and we'll give the plants new homes. I know there's probably some of you watching this right now like, she's doing it all wrong. And that's fine, because you're right. I'm trying. I don't know, guys. I'm a little concerned. Oh shoot, is that a worm? Is that right that there's a worm in there? This plant has proven very difficult. Mold, mealybugs, and now the gnat situation. I don't know, guys. I have no idea what I'm doing. Look, usually with a repotting, they should be good, I hope. You know, when I first got into houseplants, I didn't realize that it takes a lot of care, which is great, but I just didn't know. It's a whole new education it's a whole new world. And now, well, you know, pre-pandemic, when there's any kind of travel involved, it's like, oh my gosh, who's gonna take care of the plants? You know what I mean? Because we don't have pets, but the plants are a situation. Because we love them and they're alive. Okay. So now I'm gonna rub emo oil. Sorry, neem oil. Please feel free to comment below on how I can do this better, because I really want to learn. Oh boy. Thank you for being here with me. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, so you know when I put up a new video, and I will see you guys next time.